What's good, y'all? Today we taking a look at the college man cave. So let's get right into it. So starting off, right when you walk in the room, we got just a little mail holder that holds the keys and a pair of headphones. So I can just grab those and go when I'm off to class. Right below that, we got the mini fridge, little snack station set up where I keep all my snacks. And you gotta keep them in your room if you're in college, because if you leave them in the kitchen, they'll get ate by your roommates. But yeah, we got the futon right here. Nice little place whenever we have guests or something, they can just chill out right there. Right above, we've got some picture frames with the X-Wing and Millennium Falcon that are pretty dope. So taking a look at the shelf, on the shelf I keep all my cologne and cocoa butter. I even got the Gucci cologne right here. That I keep in the box because it's Gucci, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we just gonna put that back in the box. For now, you know I don't be rocking no cheap cologne. Bruh. But yeah, man, I keep the cocoa butter on deck. We got Alexa right there controlling the lights and the TV, so that's smooth. Right below that, we just got some storage bins holding stuff. Next to that, we got the printer. Nothing really exciting there. This just holds all my schoolwork. You know, got paper, the calculator, the binders, a little tray with some pencils and pencil. Bruh. Alright. But moving on to the star of the man cave, it's definitely the setup. I spent a lot of time here. I'm cranking out a lot of homework, writing a lot of essays. What the f? Right here in this corner of the man cave, so we're gonna go a little in depth.
So y'all already know, when it came to the chair, I had to get something nice and simple, nothing too over the top, just keeping it real modern and nice looking. With the keyboard, we had to get the colorful keyboard, you know, so I can see all the keys that I'm hitting when I'm doing my homework. Plus it sounds pretty cool. Yeah, the lady doesn't like that when she's trying to watch TV, but it's all good. When it comes to the monitors, I got the 3 monitors set up. Definitely necessary if you're doing any kind of homework. Highly recommend that. And then we got the mouse right there with all the buttons I need. So when I'm doing my homework, boop, 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 got them all right there. Don't even need to look. But yeah, man, moving on to the shelf, up in the corner, we got some pop vinyls. You know, if you keep up with anime, you know who Deku is right here. This is from a movie Eddie Murphy was in, right here, Coming to America. If you haven't seen that, definitely go see that. We got some pictures with the lady right there. My boy Pickle Rick chilling right in between.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Had to cop the Pickle Rick.
So right on the desk, I got the router, and then off to the side, I've got the custom PC that I built a couple months ago. And then right above that, I've got the SteelSeries Arctic Pro headset. That comes in clutch when I'm doing all my homework. Get away from me! Whoa, I'm gonna go! So the centerpiece of the room has gotta be the 55-inch 4K smart TV from TCL. So we got the TV on a swivel mount so you can pull it out and angle it to wherever you're sitting in the room.
So right below the TV, we got the entertainment stand with the soundbar and the subwoofer, and then we got a couple pictures, and then controllers down below for the HTC Vive. But yeah, moving on, we got the closet. I don't have any closet doors, so I just threw some curtains up, and it looks good, I must say, like, goddamn. But yeah, they got the curtains up. You know, we got all that designer in there, so I don't want to show y'all any of that. So right down here, we got Watson's area, where he eats and does his little thing. But yeah, in the last corner of the room, we got the bed. This is where I sleep out and catch some good Z's. I got a picture I painted right up top because I ain't got no headboard. I got Groot Big chilling right here in the corner. We got the cat bed right here so he can go ahead and chill out and take naps when he's not scared and under the bed.
But that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like down below. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos. But with that, I'll catch you on the next one.